In this video, we're going to start by customizing this module here. In the previous video, we rearranged the doc map to facilitate the execution of this exercise. Now I'm going to look at this structure here. So I'm just going to show you the example of the page that we want to replicate. So all we have to do is center this text element here. Okay, so I'm going to rehide this page example here, and I'm going to delete these two elements that aren't necessary. Okay, let's start. I'm going to delete this P2 element by clicking delete. And I'm also going to delete this button here that we don't need. Now I'm going to center this element in this block. So I'm going to select this element's parent element. So this card text over and button. And then I'm going to come here to the data panel to arrange, and I'm going to use this inspector option. All you have to do is select the center option. Okay, this has been centered. I'm now going to select this text element and I'm going to justify it to the center. So to do this, I'm just going to close this arrange menu. I'm going to open typography and I'm going to select align, this option, to center. So this has now been done. I'm just going to show you the example once more. As you can see, the example matches the work we just did. In the next video, I'm going to place the content and I'm going to alter this placeholder here, this text element. And that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to continue with the remaining modules.